So for this vacuum cleaner, I was pleasantly surprised at the price value that it was, the quality that it delivered out of the box. This vacuum cleaner had so many attachments, and I was able to remove them all with one hand. Well, I had to put my phone down for that last piece of it, but if you can see here, all of the accessories that came with it was really neat. I have a higher end model, and I thought that this was a very good competitor to it. Was very pleasantly surprised. Here you can see I'm holding a phone, attaching it with one click. I'm just kind of holding it so it doesn't slip off, but very easy, very lightweight. Here's the longer piece attachment, and then I put the other accessory on there, which was, again, very easy, just holding and then clicking on. I was pleasantly surprised at the amount of suction that this attachment had. And again, when I turned this on, it was charged at 31%, and I was so surprised right out of the box, right? Shipped to me, charged at 31%. There are two settings for suction. There's like a regular setting and then a max setting. Of course, when you turn it to the max, that time goes down a little bit, a lot, actually half. I believe it was, I think it was cut by half, so it was like 15 minutes or 12, 13 minutes or something like that, in half when I went to the higher setting. But, you know, even at the lower setting, it did a really good job of just that area that I was playing around with. The thing that I appreciated about this specific accessory or attachment here was the LED lights. My higher end vacuum cleaner does not have this, and this piece right here was so nice. There's an extension here because I'm a little bit shorter in stature, so you know, having that ability to, you know, go taller, shorter, or even when I'm trying to get to the ceilings, I could really use that. And then here I just put another attachment on to see, you know, how light it would be, or how, you know, how it would function in terms of picking things up. And here I'm just picking up rice to see, you know, what, how well it would do. And so, I mean, look at that. So amazing. It did such a great job in picking up rice and cleaning up the area. I was so pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I have a brand name one, higher brand name one, and it, if not, did a better job or even the same. And easy on this, very easy, very lightweight to use on the stairs. I would highly recommend this one if you're looking for something within, you know, budget friendly, something that, you know, you want to get to use.
Okay guys, look at that. I was waiting so much for this vacuum. Everybody told me it's so good. Everything is in here. Manual here. Dun, 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 dun. This is what I searching for, clean my car. And everything, the little spaces. Here is the charger. The holder for the wall. And look at what is in here. It's not heavy, but looks like it has power. Look at this. You turn it on. It has 2 modes for power. Wow, 10 minutes or 24 like that. So you know how many times this can run. You can remove or put it in the battery. Okay, it's ready. I will put some lentils or check how good is that. Dun 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 dun. In the low, it's immediately eating. You can imagine when it's hard. It's cleaning. So good, and with the light you can see everything.
receiver. I connected. Once he hit the 3%, it just like this light, it was off. There was nothing more in here, no lights or anything, and basically just stopped charging. And it's just brand new. I just received this like a couple hours ago, and I just unplugged it and connected again. It's back again, so I will check if this is a good port or not.